Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Ruby Art Studio. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a light brown blondish straight hair. And to start with, I started with cream color. So we put the base of cream color as the very first layer in order to get the blondie look at the very end in the parts that we will not put too much pigment. So try to fill the spot that you would like to draw all with this cream color in Faber-Castell Polychromos. Then we start with the second color. Try to have at least 4 or 5 different colors from a very bright shade to the dark shade so that you can get the 3D look. Always follow the hairlines and go to the correct direction. Especially in this video I'm showing the straight hair, so we don't need to make any curls or any sort of curves in the hairlines, so keep them as straight as possible, but do them one by one as if they are actual hair. Bring the shades some part in the middle and try to keep some spot somehow not so much colorful, because we would like to show the highlights, especially in this hair that is the very bright color blondish hair. There should be some spots that are showing as bright as possible. And then we use white color to blend, and blending is for creating a softer look. Not all of the hairlines are kind of individual. Some of them they need to have this softer look to show that they are a little bit like more behind. So use white color, and then after that follow the same as you started from the beginning, putting the cream color and then darker shades of brown. You need to blend a couple of times if needed to get the soft layer in the very bottom, because that soft layer will somehow highlight the individual hairs that you're gonna put at the very end and finalize the drawing. It's okay to blend a couple of times. And then with the very sharp walnut brown, put the last part of the hair that comes in the very bottom and are not gonna be like a bunch of collected hair. They are somehow more individual ones. And then as always we will try to make it look very real with using the pencil eraser. We kind of remove some part of the color because the hair is not always looking perfect, and after that we put the darker shades, and then it's done. We are done with today's video, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't hesitate to give some comments and ask any questions. I would be happy to answer, and see you in the next video.